Designed to detect the amount of oxygen in the exhaust system, thread diameter 18 mm. Constructed from high-quality material. Features double protection layer, aluminum oxide trap layer, PTFE filter and stainless steel housing. Manufactured with precision to meet OE standards. Easy installation. Denso Oxygen Sensor is designed to detect the amount of oxygen in the exhaust stream. It is constructed from high-quality stainless steel, porous polytetrafluoroethylene, fluorine rubber, aluminum oxide, high-grade platinum and ceramics. This sensor features double protection layer, aluminum oxide trap layer, porous PTFE filter and stainless steel housing. It is manufactured with precision to meet OE standards. This oxygen sensor can be installed easily and ensures longevity. Top reviews from the United States. Denso is the OEM for Toyota. Saved me over $200. Toyota dealership wanted $180 to $210, they weren't sure over the phone. Geez, for the same part. Literally the same part. Denso is the OEM for Toyota. In fact, Toyota owns 25% of Denso. A lot of aftermarket sensors fail quickly, so I wanted to go OEM. Glad I checked Amazon. My mechanic told me he could install it for $100. The cost here was $45. When I opened it up, it looked pretty straightforward to install, so I slid under the truck and had it installed in less than 10 minutes. Check engine light cleared itself, and a few months later we're still good to go. Saved over $100 on the part, and I kept the $100 in labor in my pocket as well. Just a side note, you can have the check engine light cleared with an OBD reader or just wait and it will clear itself. It may take a few days of driving, it more than likely won't clear just taking it around the block. The vehicle runs diagnostics on itself periodically, and when it does, if it's installed right, it will clear the code on its own. Mine took 2 to 3 days of driving, about 3 to 4 hours of driving.